Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We are going to be looking at Facebook stroke Instagram today, and we're going to be looking how you can connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account. Now, obviously, these are two big powerhouses of marketing platforms that you can use for your business, and they sort of go together because obviously Facebook own Instagram as well. So they do link very, very easily, and we're going to show you in this video two different ways that you can actually link them. One obviously through your Facebook page on a web page, and also through your mobile app on Instagram. Make sure you stay tuned for those, and we're going to go over to the desktop and we're going to do the first method. Okay, before we head over to the Facebook page, let's just go through some of the advantages that you can actually get by connecting your Facebook page to Instagram. Okay, so the first thing is you're going to be able to receive messages on each platform. Okay, so if someone messages you on Facebook, could receive it on your mobile app on Instagram as well. So then you're not going to miss out on vital messages that you might need for your business. You're also going to be able to post across both actual platforms as well. So if you post onto Facebook, it will automatically then could post onto your Instagram as well. So that's a good time-saving thing as well. And it's obviously going to give your messages a bigger reach within the social media platforms. And the last thing is, if you're going to actually end up running ads, you can obviously run those ads across both the platforms as well. So you can set up a Facebook ad and you can run it across both platforms. So again, it would give you far greater reach with your business. Okay, so let's jump over to Facebook and run through the first method. So from Facebook, obviously we need to click on the page you actually want to go and manage. And this is one of my pages here. This is one I'm going to go and connect to my Instagram account. So we want to go on to the home page here. Now this is, I've set this up just recently. I've switched over to the updated Facebook pages in Facebook. So this obviously is bang up to date, guys, of how you actually do it in Facebook. And you want to go from the home page, you want to click on Professional Dashboard here. And then if you scroll down, you will actually see on the side here, gone past it, linked accounts. Okay, so click on linked accounts, and as you can see, it's got Instagram here. It's also got WhatsApp as well. So you can actually connect that as well if you wanted to. But this video obviously about Instagram. So we just click on the connect account. This will then give you certain things. If you want to review the roles, that if you've got people that are looking after your Facebook page, settings, etc. If you want to review the roles here, you can do that before you actually go and join the two up. But literally, once you've done that and you're okay with the settings, you can then just connect by clicking the button there. You just literally log into the account, and as you can see here, it says Instagram is connected. Just click on the done, and as you see, my Instagram account is now on the on one of the linked accounts. All there is to it, guys, really simple, I know, but sometimes these things, if you don't quite know where things are, they can take you a little bit out of your way and you have trouble finding it. So hopefully that will sort that out. Now we're going to jump over to the mobile, and we're going to show you exactly how you can do it inside the Instagram app as well and connect a Facebook page that way. Okay, so we've come across to the Instagram app, and as you can see, we've come up to the top right hand corner. We want to click on the hamburger menu up here, then we click on settings, and then we click on business, and if you scroll down it says connect or create, so we click on that, and then it says here connect your Facebook page. You can create a Facebook page, or you can connect an existing page, or you can obviously click not now. So we want to click an existing page. So if we click on select the page you want, so scroll down, if you've got lots of different pages, make sure you select the right one, and then all you do is click on, and up here in the top right hand corner where it says done. That's it, and that's how easy it is to go and connect on your Facebook page to your Instagram by using the Instagram app. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make new videos. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.